everyone. Thank you all for joining me today. My name is Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne. Today we're going to talk about how to make a favicon. Okay, so a favicon is basically an image, a small image that represents the website that you are visiting. It is found in the browser, the corner of the browser, the tab of the browser. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So say for instance, my website right here, if you look up here on top, you will see an image right here. If you're looking at my my cursor, I'm circling around the image. This is the favicon image. It has a special extension for these images. Okay, so when you upload it to WordPress, it'll appear up here. If you upload it in the right area where favicons are stored, this is where you place. This is where the favicon will appear. So it is an image of the head brace crown here that I have for my website. I just created an image and uploaded it to WordPress, and it appears here. So all browsers has this feature where when a person visits a website, say for instance, if you go to google.com, you'll notice that the G is in the browser tab. So that's all it is. It's just a basic representation that differentiate the type of website that you are on compared to the other ones that you're on. It's like an identification for a website that you may be visiting. Just a little small neat feature they have instead of the old feature where they didn't. Well, this was just a plain area, and it may have had the title of the website. Now it's been several years now. This has been embedded in browsers to show up. So that's what a favicon is. It's basically a representation of a website, and it appears here in the browser tab. So let me show you how I create favicons. Okay, so let's go down here. What I've downloaded is a piece of software, designer software called CorelDRAW. So let's double click on CorelDRAW. It's going to load up. And I do recommend that you, if you have interest in creating favicon, I do recommend CorelDRAW. I've been using it for years, and it has been one of those special tools that I use to design and create images. Okay, so I'm going to go to new, and you can download it for free, and you have I think it's a 15 to 30 day tryout. So during those 15 days, the 15-day trial, you can create as many images as you want. Okay, so basically what I do is I just went to I went to file, new, and I'm creating a brand new image. So what I do is I basically create a background. I'm just going to do something. I'm just going to do something simple. Once you download CorelDRAW, just get used to the features. I may make a video on how to use CorelDRAW. And I'm just going to do something real simple right now. I'm going to click on here, give it some color. Let's see here. I want to. Okay, just a box. So what we're doing, we're creating a favicon. Let me see. Let's go ahead and color it black. Let's see here. I'm just doing doing an example. Let me see here. Put a circle. I'm doing something really simple, so bear with me. And this is okay. Make 2 circles, and I do take my time when I make my images. This is just an example. Copy and paste. Pull this off. This is the infamous. Hey, let's say. Let's try this. This is a tool. This is one special tool I use here for hand drawing. I go to 3-point curve. Hey, let's do Pac-Man. Huh? And okay, the edges here. And probably okay, let's try to outline this. And let's give it an eye. So it's simple Pac-Man, huh? So what we're gonna do here, now I've got my Favicon, just resize it in the way you want to. Basically, you don't need to make a big image, a really big image, because remember it's just a small identification image for your website that's gonna show up in the browser tab. Now simply just go ahead and say File. Let's see, File, Export. That's going to take it off here. Let me see. Call it Pac-Man. Let's export it. Okay, and here you can do whatever you want. I'm not going to go through this too much, but you can this is just an image. I created a black background in Pac-Man right here. Scroll down, and you can follow, you know, play with the resolution as much as you want, you know, so the image will appear more smoother and less distorted. After you finish, press OK. And that's it. That's Pac-Man. And that's how you create a Favicon. You just create something that you want to appear in the browser tab. So that's how you create a Favicon. It's nothing hard about it. It's very simple. No more than just creating an image to show up in your browser tab. Okay. Now that we've done our now that we have created a Favicon, we're going to upload it. I'm going to show you how to upload it on your WordPress website. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Jermaine. Please, you can catch me up on Web Hosting Throne or you can look me up at webhostingthrone.com or either Google me, Web Hosting Throne. Okay, you can like this page, share it, or just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in the next tutorial.